How you doing? My name is Israel Quadve, and I played Freddie Fernandez in the original Karate Kid, his next door neighbor. I'm here doing a testimonial for a great company called Ovation Tax Group. I had some issues with the IRS, and I owed a lot of money, and I was anxious. But when you owe the IRS, it's no joke. It's intimidating, getting constant letters, and I wasn't able to focus, and I had a lot on my shoulders. But I got in touch with Ovation Tax Group, and I gotta tell you, they saved me. I'm so relieved. I'm over the tax debt right now, and I don't know anything. And let me tell you, I'm not getting paid for this. This is out of my own accord. I told them, hey, you guys did a wonderful job. Let me give you a testimony, truth, honest. I don't want anything for it. You guys have done enough. So I'm grateful for Ovation Tax Group. If anybody's had the trouble and the stress that I did, I would recommend them highly. 100%, 10, 5 stars, 10 out of 10. I could go about my life now, not worry about that anymore. I got them off my shoulders. I'm relaxed. And, you know, at my age, I didn't want to go through all that stuff. I'm over with that. And, you know, people can get careless and, you know, like I did, and it happens. Don't stress. Call Ovation Tax Group. They'll take care of you like they took care of me.
For over 10 years, I lived with a huge tax debt, $79,000. And I had constant fear that the IRS would drain my bank account. And then they did. That's when I called Ovation Tax Group. Ovation stepped in, cleared my tax debt completely, and stopped the government from taking money out of my bank account. Ovation didn't just fix my financial situation. Ovation treated me with dignity and made me feel like family. I can finally sleep at night thanks to them.
I started with a $51,000 tax bill. I found Ovation Tax Group and they helped me through it. You guys rescued me and I feel like an entirely new person.
I took $90,000 out of my 401k to buy a home in a retirement community, but I didn't realize I'd owe the IRS $31,000. I couldn't afford to pay it and the stress was unbearable. That's when I turned to Ovation Tax Group. They filed my back taxes and worked with the IRS to negotiate a can't collect settlement. It felt like a huge weight was lifted off of my shoulders. Now I can finally sleep at night. Thank you, Ovation Tax Group, for giving me my peace of mind back.